What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion. Back today doing another video. Katie's in the shop. We're working on her today. We're going to be doing rear axle seals slash bearings on those. So let's crawl underneath and get her drained. And I'm going to take it apart, order the two seals on the outside, and then we'll come back, press those in, and then we're going to take and press off the bearings. So yeah, stay tuned for this video. Let's get this truck up and running. Super reliable. All this brand new stuff for the drive lines. I think this is the last major thing I'm going to be doing for drive lines and suspension wise for a while, and do lots more cosmetic stuff, front bumper, rear bumper, with maybe winch and stuff like that. So yeah, let's jump right in. All right, it's going to be hard to hear, but it's been a couple days. It's after Christmas now. Axle's jacked up thanks to Keith. Now he's busting off the tire, and we got the heater going, which is super loud, but we're gonna bust that out. We're gonna take the axle seals out. AutoZone is the biggest piece of crap. They said they ordered. I don't give a crap. Spanish Ford, whatever. AutoZone in general. I hate you. You're a piece of crap. And whatever. I have ordered the same part 4 times, and 3 of the 4 times you never actually ordered it. I talked to 4 different people each time. I spend at least a half hour at the store every time for me knowing the part number and ordering it. I hate AutoZone. Don't ever freaking go there.
Always go to O'Reilly's.
That's why I go to O'Reilly's. So the that is off. So we're gonna pull both axles off, take the drums off. We're gonna clean those up. We're gonna be replacing brakes on both sides. The third member is going to be coming out. We're gonna have to unplug the locker. So yeah, we're gonna jump to it. All right, guys, it is the next day. I didn't show you what I did yesterday because a blizzard came in. So let me flip the camera around. Yes, it is snowing. You can't see it on camera, but we just shoveled a bunch of the snow, and there's snow all over in the shop. But we did bag the axle and the third member on both sides. So we got those out, axle shafts are out, and all the stuff is in the trailer. So, yeah, look how much snow we got. It's like 4 inches. Not too bad. Especially because it's just mostly been really cold. So, yeah, we're going to take this side apart, and we're going to start this side, take the old seal out, put the new seal in, grease test it, and once we get the grease test to work perfectly, then we were going to rebag it and go to the other side. So yeah, and then we will pull out the seals. So let's get to it. Oh,
2 metric tons on it.
Becky, 5642, please, Becky.
it's moving.
Oh yeah, it's worked at almost 10 metric tons.
Surprised it hasn't popped yet.
Oh yeah.
I guess this one's not. Oh, key, stop! Bending the plate. Watch your hand.
It's doing it hard enough. The freaking press is shaking violently when it does it. It's hilarious.
Hey, you can use the other one now. Go slow. That one didn't fly across the floor. Alright, so as you just seen, we freaking He-Man Hulk over here. Let me grab this. He-Man Hulk over here freaking lifting the whole thing. We just got, this is actually the second axle bolt pressed out. So now we'll clean them up and press new bearings in. I guess we actually gotta press the bearings out. We freaking pressed the axle shafts out, so yeah. We'll probably see an update when we're finished. All right, so we've done a lot and I didn't do it on camera. So we clearly got back from the shop with a bunch of our stuff. It got it all pressed on good. It pressed on beautifully. The clips went on beautifully. Everything was done to the T. I will link the tool below. That tool is fantastic. If you're in the Utah area, hit me up. I will help you out with your wheel bearings because I have the tool. But yeah, let's show you what I got done. So we got the new axles in with their axle seals in and the axle shafts. Third member is in. Drive shaft is hooked up and torqued. Third member is also torqued. We did torque the axles. We need to bleed the brakes, but as you can tell, there is no brakes on this.
That's not at least.
So we're going to, Keith is working on changing the brakes right now to all brand new stuff. We're getting brand new hardware, brand new springs, brand new pads. It's going to be all good. Freaking shoes, pads, same thing. Who cares?
Technically, they're not.
Hey, I don't care. And then we should have some really good brakes in the back end. And hopefully Katie is ready for some wheeling. Also, if you didn't see the first video of 2022, this video is being filmed at the very beginning of 2022. And it started in 2021, very end of it. One of my goals for this year is to be doing a lot more trips and going out. So therefore doing a lot more videos with Katie out in the world exploring. So yeah, let's continue and get my freaking New Year's goals achieved. So yeah, we're gonna slam out these brakes and then give you an update after that. All right, brakes are done on this side. So we're zipping it on. Also, I don't know if I updated you. We did get to painting the brake drums. They were silver and shiny from O'Reilly's is where I got them. They started rusting. I did get new shoes a while ago, so I changed it.
Shoes and
I didn't get new shoes. This time I got new shoes. Last time I got new drums. So this time I got new shoes. Those are the same ones, but they weren't good. They just went through the parts washer, got super cleaned from the gear oil and resurfaced, and they're set. And they were painted, so all fresh and put on.
You should have seen the trail after that night. That was dirty.
Yeah, a lot of grease. You know, she's been a naughty girl. So yeah, now we'll do the other side and then we'll come back to you when the truck's on the ground. All right, so this is a test. We have to start from the beginning underneath the truck because we have to. This is, oh, there's a razor. Because this is filmed way after and some stuff has been done. But so this is an ABS axle. So as you can tell from way right there, this is an ABS axle underneath here. So therefore, and I have a non-ABS truck because I have a 1997 truck, so there's no ABS for it. Therefore I had to convert this axle housing that has the e-locker in it over to non-ABS axles. So what you have to do with that is change the axle seals to a different axle seal. I will put the part number in the description for what part number it is. I don't remember exactly. I ran with the national brand because that's what I was told to do, the national brand with a certain part number. I'm pretty sure as long as that part number is the same, it will be just fine. So when you're pressing them in, obviously this isn't here and all the brakes and stuff isn't there. When you're pressing them in, it's not gonna be like a normal seal. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to press because it's not a normal press thing, it's adapting it. So go really, really slow, use lots of lube to get it pressed in, and you can adapt these to non-ABS axles. Your ABS light will be on, but I don't have ABS again. But another reason for knowing how to do this is because if you have an ABS axle and you need chromoly shafts, they only make chromoly shafts in non-ABS axles. They don't make it in ABS axles. So then you'd need to convert it if you want e-locker housing, or you're just lucky that your you have a non-e-locker housing, or you find a non-e-locker housing, an e-locker housing that's non-ABS. But I'm pretty sure all the e-locker housings are not the same. But you can also cut the ones that are non-ABS and adapt them to be ABS, not ABS, can be an e-locker, so you can have a locker. But yes, hopefully this video helped. Yes, I didn't have hands-on video of how to install that. I did get the axle shafts done on the truck. I new wheel bearings, new wheel seals to get that all fixed. So, and also this last section of the how-to section is all filmed on a new camera I just barely got literally today as this was filmed, which is March 7th, 2022. Stay tuned to see what camera it is. Another how-to video kind of, but also a vlog for building the truck. Yes, I missed like almost all the assembly for you guys. No big deal. We're just going on more adventures and doing cool stuff. There's your hint for the camera. But yes, hopefully you liked today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.